All right, this is the E-mini, S&P E-mini, and for the daily we see we're still in the chop. Again, I kind of was looking at some intraday stuff. Let's see, is this the 15-minute? Yes. So I saw this been testing this level, and I posted it on my Twitter account. I've been testing this level 3 times. It broke it the 4th time. So usually the 4th time it's going to break down. And if you guess below that, then you could definitely see this 220 area very, very quickly. And after that, then it's going to get scary as far as how quickly it's going to move. So we have to see if they're going to break. They have to get back above this 2060 level, 2065 level, and kind of go from there. So very, very cautious, very, very, kind of creepy area right now. I wouldn't say creepy, but there's a lot of indecision. And again, if you're not trading a lot, that's a good thing. Again, if you're in congestion, you don't want to trade congestion. So you don't want to trade a chart that looks congested. You want something that is either breaking down or breaking up. And right now, there's a lot of things that still look bullish. Again, until proven guilty. You got, I took a little small short on American Express. Actually, my stop is probably above here. We'll see how that one pans out. Apple, and I wouldn't go short here. Again, I had a turn date, but that doesn't mean that you go short at that turn date. It means my thing would have been more to take profits probably around this area. Okay, and it's looking good. Google has not done much. Let me use Google L. Has not done much since earnings. So earnings was here, and it's just been pretty much sideways. I know some people might be saying this might be a flag. I'll let it get out of this funk because it's still in a downtrend and play out its hand from there. Tesla, the only reason why I didn't get short Tesla the other day was because earnings are around the corner, so things could get a little dodgy, and that's why I didn't mess with it. So again, still in the downtrend. Clearly, we could easily see if we take from the highs and the lows, we still see that we're way below the 50% retracement level of this 2038 level. So again, I would just be more cautious than anything regarding going long for that. You had other names that are still looking bad. Again, Baba. If you're looking to go long, Baba, hopefully it's just for an intraday thing. This is a broken chart, and it's just going to continue to go down. I don't know exactly how far it's going to go, but that's not what I'm looking to do. USO had a crazy day regarding crude because crude went up to $53.99. Okay, and that's what you guys got to understand. Sometimes this stuff is manipulated, and all of it's manipulated. How about that? Let's just make that precedence from the beginning. All of it is manipulated. They know about front running. They do it. They know your orders are coming in. And it came right below this area. So the high is 2029, and it came to 2018 on the crude contract. I mean, I think the high was like 54, and it went to 53.99. 54 is the resistance that I said, either 52 to 54. So again, it just needs to break this low, and I think it continue down. I am still holding this CLR contract. I do like that it finally broke the low, so let's see if it could continue down. My target is around this 29 area. I'm still in Procter & Gamble currently. Again, it's still paying. Again, you just see one small little kind of hammer pattern. Again, I don't let that stuff bother me at all. And I might roll. I'm not gonna roll my stop to break even as yet, but again, my stop might be a little high. I might roll it to the top of this and reduce a little bit of risk, but nothing to be currently afraid of with that one. Microsoft looks like it could be potentially. I might look to short this one tomorrow. Give it a nice pattern. Didn't break this low. Breaks this low. It gives a very small risk type of pattern. I like the way that this one is setting up. It was grinding, dropped like hell, and then it's up. What, 5-6 days, 5-6 trading days. So it's from the lows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, you see the volume is getting light. So if it could catch this below, maybe stop above here, I think it could continue to the downside. You had the banking sector. I was really eyeing that because I was looking at Goldman Sachs for potentially short, but it ended up not breaking the low significantly. So I kind of just saw it kind of hover. So I was like, you know what, let me just, not go have too many positions on and go from there. Again, you have Bank of America. Remember, it closed here, and just remember that it closed right here and then gapped down. So again, all these gaps I would like to see a better setup per se, but if you're just looking at the, you know, quick and dirty, you can see that it touched 50% retracement and might be looking to go a little bit lower. Okay. What other names did we look at? We have Amazon continuing to, again, I'm not shorting that. You can short it with your own money. Netflix, again, same thing. I would not short this. I don't care how many gaps it had. Again, I wouldn't be doing that per se. Again, it's just not my type of trade. It's something that I don't like to do. Again, if that's your cup of tea, have at it, Hoss. You got Yahoo. Yahoo's continuing to break down nicely, actually. So it breaks this low. I think it definitely could come and see these areas right here. Again, if you're in it, you could put your stop at break even, but it's definitely going to come and test these areas. This last buy signal right here, this last buy signal there, it's definitely going to come and test that. So it looks really, really good regarding that. I'll, you know, don't want to go overboard with anything. So again, we hit a critical level on the ES. Remember that. So be cautious. Again, if you feel like, oh, you know, I'm not trading that much, you're not trading in a crappy environment. So cash is a position. So again, I wish I had a lot more positions on, but you know, the positions haven't been really moving that well. You have to be really, very cautious. But again, I still think that there is I don't know if it's accumulation or distribution, but it definitely feels like distribution to me currently. So again, it has to hold that level again, 2038, and then gets to 2020, and then we'll see it could move down fast, quickly from there. So of course, if it breaks above this 2070, 2065 area, then all bets are off, where the bulls can take over and run it up some more. All right, take care.